Hello YouTube, this is the Airsoft Dude 227 back here with another Airsoft review. Today I'm doing a pistol review of the Crosman c11 Airmag CO2 pistol. Right here's the gun. It's okay, it's pretty crappy, cheap, but it was my first CO2 pistol, so you expect that. And I'll just go over the basic. This slide up here doesn't move. It's there to cover everything and for looks. And in here you slide off the hand grip and you insert a CO2 cartridge in here. Then you just have to unscrew this piece down here. I have to unscrew it. Well, I don't want to put it in, and then you'll hear a hissing sound, and that means it's broken through the top part of the CO2, and then the gun will fire. It has a safe and fire. Right now it's on fire safe. Springs the gun. It came with one magazine, 15 rounds. They're metal. Yeah. Speaking of that, there's like no metal parts in this gun, except for the trigger, I think. Alright, here's the magazine release. I bought 2 extra mags, but I lost one in a skirmish, so I was pretty ticked off about that. It uses 12 gram CO2. I just have Crosman, and I got this holster with it. The holster doesn't come with the gun. I bought it separately. Alright, that's pretty much it.